Yo, son, you gonna throw some more of them little peanuts down, son? Huh? You hear me? You see me? I'm walking the plank, son. Throw it down there. But I ain't finna throw you no more of them goddamn peanuts, man. I gotta eat these myself. Swift like, nigga, I come get my shit. See Swift? Swift and them come through. I come get my shit, G. They patient. They like, oh, he gonna throw some more. Watch. Uh-oh, it's Emperor. Uh-oh, this nigga come through. Where he at? Yeah, Emperor Cardinal right here. Nigga, what's up? Did I miss the party? Nigga, what you? Oh, shit, we got some peanuts. But they ain't tasted over here. They was like, man, what the hell is this? What the? This shit tastes good as hell, G. Like, I know, son. The other homies love it. He's like, man, B, I gotta break this joint open, B. I gotta break it open. Golly. Crazy, son. I'm putting that big ass. Oh, see, here go. Here comes Scruffy Dovey. Scruffy Dovey. Nigga just gonna swoop on the scene and shit and just get the rest of the shit. He said, yo, I get the crumbs, B. That's what I do, B. I get the crumbs. What'd you say? Yeah, you was reading and shit? Damn, goddamn, alright. He said, yeah, you heard me. Oh, Emperor over there, nigga. He done finally got that mud broke open, huh? He done finally got it open. Oh, shit. Now that everybody coming through now. Oh, everybody just sliding through. This nigga, Swift and them like, what's up, man? That's the little nigga right there. What's up? You know? Alright. Damn it. Scruffy though. That's my nigga right here, man. This nigga look, he is like left out a little bit and shit. See his little feathers and shit. They all over. Nigga been through some shit, son. Your word, B. Yeah, your ass. You something else. Meanwhile, this nigga still walking. You got an attitude, nigga.